we are solving the Pascal triangle problem. Here the problem statement is, we are given a numRows. We need to generate a first row of the Pascal triangle. In simple word, each row start and end with 1. Every number inside the row is the sum of the two numbers directly above it. Now let's actually see it visually. Here it is given the Pascal triangle. Each row start with 1 and end with 1. And here the middle element is the sum of two elements above it. Like 1 plus 1, 2. Here 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 3, 6. And 3 plus 1, 4. Now, how to implement with the help of the code? Let's see. First, we will create the uh, vector, 2D vector of n number rows. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows is there. Firstly, we will build the 2D vector. Then we will replace all element with 1. Here all element with 1. From 0 to n, we will increase the increment and we will build a 2D vector and iterate in each rows. In each row, we will create a new vector of I plus 1 length. Here is I 0. Then here vector size should be 0 plus 1, which is 1. Here I is 1. So here the vector size should be 1 plus 1, which is 2. Same goes to the below ones. So we will now replace middle element with the sum of the two. So we will travel through j equals to 1 to j less than I. Then we will increment the j. Then we will see how to sum the above previous element. Now let's jump into the code. First we will create the 2D vector. Of int data type. We will name this 2D vector triangle. You can give any name. Here we will define the size of vector. Now we will run the for loop. From I equals to 0 to how many rows we want, which is the user input. That's the numRows. So here is numRows. And we will increment the I. In each row, we want new vector of I plus 1 size. So here we create a vector in triangle vector of in data type. We will declare the size here and we want all elements first to be the 1. So we will write the 1. Then we will run again of one for loop. Now we will run from j equals to 1 because both end should be the 1. So don't need to worry about the ends or first. We will not write equal to as the end should be the always 1. We will replace middle element with the sum of above two elements. Here it how it goes. then we will return the triangle. Now let's run this code. Now we will submit this, and that's it.